Oh. Yeah. You guys honestly just now got to see real time. I just realized in the crash that you guys just saw, I lost something and didn't realize it till just effing now. I lost one of my mirrors, the head mirrors. It's gone. Well, shit. I liked those mirrors. Now I gotta take this one off, or do I just leave the driver's side? Is this driver's side? I don't know. This car is probably not an American car, so this would probably be driver's side over here. Or is it just center drive? Now we're going on a whole tangent, aren't we? Anyways, guys, I crashed it. You saw. I crashed it. Actually, I've crashed it twice. You didn't see the first time. So I made a new splitter, and then I crashed it again. So now I gotta glue the splitter up. I tweaked the rear wing mount, all the shit. So... oh, also ripped my body lock off of the side. I gotta print a new one of those. So I did print a new rear section though. So a new huge crazy diffuser, which I hope isn't too much diffuse for the rear end, but we're gonna find out. And then a new rear mount bracket and a new wider rear wing. Now I do still gotta get this fixed. I don't like using this servo. It's just one more thing that can go wrong. So I'm just gonna lock it at full pitch and let it use all the downforce. Yeah. But so what else did I do? Okay, I turned the low voltage cutoff off on the ESC through the Bluetooth. That worked. So it's pumping out some shit now and getting warm. I have one heat temp left. I have it at 130 degrees Celsius. It will cut thermal still. I don't want to burn this up. So if this ESC cannot deliver what I want, then we're going to put the Castle one in and go from there. But I got to be able to get it to drive straight first, so yeah. Well, that's where we're at. We got some fixes. I love having a 3D printer to fix my fuck-ups and not have to wait for Rlaarlo's parts. And yeah, I guess enjoy the runs. They are failed. There's no good PBs. They're still 90s and 80s, but you know, I figured you'd want to see them. And honestly, Mike wants to see them. That's the main reason. He's the only one that makes me keep pushing, right? All right. Later, guys. Okay, everybody. We're out here with the 787. Let's see if we can make a pass today. I'm hoping this is a good time of day and traffic won't be too bad. Okay. Hopefully the phone was visible for you guys there. I know my camera and my phone like to kind of glitch out sometimes. All right. Okay. Nope. Nope. You got squirrely, you see it? I'm sure you did. Ooh, okay. I hear traffic coming, so let's just bring it in. Oh, it got very squirrely there, guys. Whew. See what it did before I had to back out, huh? Hopefully you guys can see that. It's shitty. It's really sunny. 91 and I had to back out. Woo! Ripping. Okay. Let's check the gyro gain. What's that at? It's a little up there. Turn that down just a hair. Let's check it out. That was horrible driving. It didn't want to track straight, and I just said to hell with it. Oh, you know, it feels like we got headway. We're good. Okay. Yeah, let me just shut this off. We'll give it a break. You can see that's a 3-cell. I'm not even going to change the pack. I'm just going to leave it, and I'm going to try to get another pass better than that. I'll see you in a second. Okay, guys. Another take here. Okay. Let's try going from the other way again this time. Sounds like more traffic coming. Right there. I'll sit right there and just wait. Thank you. Okay. All right.
Steering range 2.
Nope, nope, nope. Okay. I gotta work on it. It's getting loose. The rear shocks are not completely limited, and it looks like they need to be. Damn. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Ooh, or it's just my trigger finger. I don't know. I'm getting shy.
Steering range 2.
Nope, 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 nope.
Steering range 0.
Seems like if I start to get above half 3/4 throttle, she starts to get really loose.
Steering range 2.
No, I didn't get into it all the way, obviously.
Steering range 0. Steering range 2.
Shit. It's gonna be a long one, guys. Sorry. I don't think I'm gonna get 100 anyways. It's being really squirrely. Thought I heard traffic coming, so I backed out. This is ridiculous. I can't do nothing around here.
Steering range 2.
Nope. Nope. Shit. Oh. Shit. Oh, shit. God damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Fuck.